Hi, I want to show you how to do the exercises of the course Intro to UPPMAX Day 1 about the module system. I'll zoom in a bit because what we are going to do is going to practice using the UPPMAX documentation. It should be good. We're going to see if we can find what software is installed, which databases are installed, why there is a module system. We can find a module and we can load a module. So this is all we're going to do. The module system is there so you can work on your favorite versions of your software. It allows you to run your software of your favorite version, and we have installed it for you. And this helps us to make all our users happy because they want different versions installed, and on a regular computer in a regular setting you cannot have multiple versions of the same software installed. Also, we have installed big databases here for you, so you don't need to download them time and time again. So let's take a look at the exercises. I'm just going to take a look how many there are and what the titles are, and then I'll show them in detail. Exercise 1, find the software. I guess this is about to find a list of installed software, sure. Exercise 2, find the databases, what we have installed for you. Exercise 3, work with modules. And do we have more? No, that's it. So let's work through these. So we need to find the software. Go to there to answer these questions. Find a list of installed software. Alright, what I'm going to do, I put this window to the left. I'll put it to the left there. Let's go back to the exercise. Here. Copy this link in a new window there. So now I have the documentation and I'm going to look for software. So already when you zoom out, there is a thing called software here at the top. It's a menu item, but already, like, if you take a close look at these buttons, you can directly find it. So this is the software, the general page about the software, and here is a software table where we have installed everything. I'm going to click on it. Let's take a look how it looks like. So judging from the size of my scroll bar, I see it's quite big. So I just ruthlessly scroll. There are hundreds of software packages we have installed for you. You see that Pelle is not among the list of clusters here. This will be updated in the future, but this is like everything that's on Rackham you can expect to be on Pelle, with only minor differences. So with that, I've showed you all our software. Estimate how many pieces of software are installed on Pelle. Well, hundreds. That's good enough. And according to the answer, it's 800 pieces. Step 2. Find the databases. Well, in this case, I'm just going to click on search. I do database. I guess this is an overview of databases. Yeah, it is. And well, these are the list of databases installed. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, something like this. And that is also the correct answers. Exercise 3. Now we're going to work with modules. And we need to find the UPPMAX documentation on modules. Well, I'm just going to type it in here, modules, there. And here I have found the software modules page. This is the correct one. I'm going to scroll around a bit through it. So here you see a fancy image. You see some background, why they are important. Here we see how to work with it. I'm just going through the headers here. And is there more stuff? Using modules in executable script. We don't care about this probably. Extra materials, we're going to ignore that. Sure, so probably work with the module system is the most important thing. Yeah, and that's exactly the answer. Search the module system for a tool called Cause to find out in which module it is installed. So just taking a look at this list, I see here how to search for a module using module spider. Oh, and even in the answer you have module spider and the name of a module. For example, do module spider Cause. So I'm going to do this on Pelle, and I'm already logged in. I'm going to paste the command. I put it here because now we're going to look for the latest version of Caussay, and I already have the command. So here I'm going to look for the latest version of Caussay. If I scroll up and down, I see that there's only one version. Like if I press space, there's nothing more. We only have one version, version 3.04. And I need to load this version. So let's take a look how I do this. Module load. Here. Module load module. For example, module load Caussay. Or if you want to use a specific version, module load Caussay 3.03. I can do that. Go back to, so I copy paste this. I go to Pelle. I replace this by a 4. And it worked. Because it didn't give me an error message. Next question. To confirm Caussay works, type Caussay hello. Okay, I copy paste this. Back to the terminal, Ctrl Shift V. Hey! It's a cow that says hello, should appear. It does. Unload the module for Caussay. Well, for that, how to unload a module, we're going to go back to the documentation here. Well, the question clearly had a hint. It needs to be called module unload module. It's even here, module unload Caussay. I'm going to copy paste that. Go to the terminal, paste it with Ctrl Shift V because it's to a terminal. Now it has worked. And now confirm that Caussay doesn't work anymore by typing Caussay hello. Well, right. So I press up to go back to earlier commands. I press enter, and if I press enter, it will give an error. That is correct. So here I've showed you that if you load the module Caussay, you can suddenly run the tool called Caussay, and if you unload it, it's gone. With that, I have showed you how to use the module system on Pelle and the software we've installed and the databases we've installed. With this, I wish you a very good day. Bye!